Siberian Migratory Birds, Part 2. Well, the migratory birds are species that travel vast seasonal distances between breeding and wintering grounds, generally moving between the northern and southern region. This mass movement is driven by biological clocks, changing day lengths, and the search for food, warmth, and safe breeding habitats. If we talk about the key concepts of fascinating facts, we come to know the reason the birds migrate is to maximize their food sources, food availability, and avoid harsh winter climates where resources either freeze over or simply disappear. The journeys of migration are very fascinating. Many species undertake extraordinary journeys. The RSPB notes that the Arctic tern holds the record migrating pole to pole each year. Pole to pole means North Pole to South Pole, and then again South Pole to North Pole. While others, like the bar tailed godwit, can fly up to 13,000 kilometers without stopping. Let's talk about the local impact. As we are in Pakistan, our region lies along major routes like Central Asian Flyway. Millions of birds migrate from Siberia and Central Asia to overwinter in wetlands such as those in Sindh, traveling distances around 4,500 kilometers. Their conservation matters a lot. Migratory birds cross international borders, making their protection a global effort. They face severe risk from habitat loss, climate change, and human infrastructure. When we talk about the important habitats, the organizations rely on international agreements like the Ramsar Convention to protect vital stopover and wetland habitats. If we talk about the conservation efforts, programs like the US Fish and Wildlife Service Migratory Bird Program, it monitors species and enforces protections and support research and ensure the ecological sustainability of birds. It certainly provides the great achievement and has improved the conditions of the bird. There is a long list of the top migratory birds in the world. Well, there are Arctic tern. They cross over the longest distance of 90,000 kilometers from one pole to another and then back from second pole to the first pole, a distance of 90,000 kilometers. Then there are bar-tailed godwit. Their longest non-stop flight is that of 11,000 kilometers. Then there are Scooty shearwater. They travel 64,000 kilometers in a figure 8 path flight. Next, we talk about the Great Knot. They travel from Siberia to Australia, again, a very, very long distance. When we talk about the migratory birds move from one country in winters. There are examples of pintail, duck, curlews, flamingos, osprey, etc. Well, these birds are the ones which travel and fly from one place to another at regular times often over a long distance.